So without wasting time, let me tell you the only working and easiest way to reset your Instagram feed or reset your Instagram algorithm if you are fed up with it. So there will be only two steps. The first one is you have to open up your App Store if you are on iPhone, and you have to open up your Play Store if you are on Android. Keep in mind that this is the very first and mandatory step. If you don't do this, you may be able to see the different options from me. So that's why you have to go to App Store or Play Store and go to the search bar and write here Instagram and hit the search button. And after that, when this Instagram app appears up, you have to tap on it, and you have to first of all update your Instagram application by tapping on this little update button right here. If you're not able to see the update button, it means your Instagram app is already up to date. So in that case, you can skip this step. So after updating your Instagram application, you have to open it, and after that you have to go to your profile menu by tapping on this little profile icon available at the bottom right corner of the screen. And after that you have to tap on this hamburger icon available at the top right corner of the screen. And when this page appears up, from here you have to scroll down and scroll more to the end. And here under what you see tab, you get an option content preferences at the third place. So tap on content preferences, and here you get different options. If you don't want the sensitive content be suggested to you, so go into this first option and simply select the less option from here. And if you want it more, you can go with the third option. And if you want it sometimes and not every time, then the standard option is best for you. Let's go back, and if you want to see the political content, go with the second option. And if you don't want it to be suggested, simply turn this button off and no political content will be suggested to you. Let's go back, and now let's move towards the option which lets you start from zero and which resets your Instagram feed or algorithm completely, which is the last option in this list, which is reset suggested content. Tap on it and simply tap on this next button and confirm reset suggested content, and your Instagram feed will be 100% new. Now open up your Instagram application, and now for telling the Instagram that which kind of content you want and which kind of content you do not want, simply go to the search page available next to the home button and try to find the post you are interested in. Open that post, tap on these three dots available at the top right corner of that post, and simply tap on manage content preferences, which is the last option in this list, and after that tap on interested. So in this way, Instagram will get to know that you like this type of content. And if you find a type of reel that you are interested in, tap on these three dots and tap on this interested button. And if you find any content that disturbs you or you're not interested in that content, again tap on these three dots and tap on not interested. Tell Instagram as much as you can about you, and your feed will be perfect and according to your desire. If you have any of the questions, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.